Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Can I have your undivided attention, please? Something urgent came up, and we have to treat the matter urgently. When I tell you that something is urgent, trust me, it is urgent. When I tell you that something is important, it is important, and it must not be taken with a pinch of salt. Are you aware that some of our respected elders are currently in the north, begging the northerners to give an Igbo man presidency come 2023? What I am trying to say is this, that some of our respected elders are trying to lobby the north, the India Wasa, to allow an Igbo man to rule Nigeria come 2023. According to Aírŕèst Igbo, ever since Frederick Lord Lugard created that evil enclave called Nigeria in 1914, an Igbo man have not gotten the opportunity to be the president of Nigeria. Because of that, Aírŕèst Igbo insists that it is the turn of an Igbo man to be the president of Nigeria. And that is why our elders, our respected chiefs, are currently in the northern part of Nigeria begging Hausa Fulani Alamajiri for Igbo presidency come 2023. I want you to suspend whatever you are doing. Just give me a few minutes of your time. Let me show you what is currently going on in the north.
We know that the north, with the population and the vast majority place, that the north will always play the role of a kingmaker in deciding, being a deciding factor in 2023 presidency. And we feel that the best thing we should do is to migrate from the other side of the world to come to this place and interface with the real people who are the people that are holding the masses. Rather than abusive works in classrooms in the villages, that we decided to extend the hand of friendship to the north. Having said that, we ask one question ourselves. What's happened to the relationship between Nnamdi and Tafawa Balewa? What happened to the existing relationship between the north and the east? Where did we got it wrong? What happened? What transpired? Is it because that one person somewhere decided to paint Igbos as if we are Biafras? No, we believe in one Nigeria. The vast majority population of Igbos are residing in 19 northern states. With the highest investments we have in 19 northern, we have about 2.3 trillion worth of investment Igbos that have invested in northern Nigeria. And by so doing, we say no. That the best thing we have to do is to ensure that we reach out with the fulcrum of the society, the people general, Yerima Shetima, to dialogue on the way forward regards to 2023. And moreover, you have heard, or it's not a new agenda, that this is the turn of the Igbo people. And irrespective that our friend here, who have been having another diverse opinion that the North must retain power after President Muhammad Buhari, we say no. It's not something that will come and fight in the delis, or every time we'll be countering what he says. No, let us come and have a persuasive dialogue. And by so doing, we are looking at how do we get here in this mess today in Nigeria. Nigeria is being ravaged by insecurity in the north. It's been extended to the south. In the southeast now, there is no. Today is Monday. The economy is crashing. Somebody somewhere is dead at home, not in Nigeria, and everything is going wrong. What we need is somebody who is of age. We are looking at age. Somebody who can unite Nigeria as Nigerians to be one. And that is why we are here to say that we believe in one Nigeria, and also we are ensuring that We are persuading our brothers to support us. We are not expecting any response from them now. Let them go and think about it. That the best thing they have to do is to look at competency in 2023. And when you talk of competency, we Igbos have abundance of material resources that can succeed President Muhammadu Buhari. Is it in terms of competence? You talk about our son from River State, the Minister for Transport, Chibika Amechi, who we are preparing to declare very soon. You talk about versatility and acceptance in the North. You talk about Senator Richard Okorocha, who was even born like Nnamdi was born in the North. You talk about international diplomacy. We have our Minister for Foreign Affairs, Geoffrey Onyama, who has helped President Muhammad to launder the image of Nigeria. When you talk about infrastructural development and you talk about the governor of Ebonyi State, Governor Dave Umaya. You see, I talk about the managerial skills. You talk about our brother, former governor of Anambra State, Mr. Peter Obi. We have abundance. We have people who are ready, committed to serve Nigeria. And what we are begging the North is to come and look at not the region, but look at the quality of candidates. People who are ready to serve Nigeria. People who are ready to continue to salvage the image of Nigeria beyond the way we have descended so low and so, into the abyss of violence, abyss of insecurity, poverty, and all the rest of it. So we are begging the North that they should look at the individuals, not at the region. Because looking at the region, we be misunderstood that we want Biafra. Looking at the region, will be misunderstood that there will be no confidence for the North to trust somebody from the East. Looking at the region will give us another perception that perhaps will lead us into not having. So why we are saying this is that the North, through the Arewa Consultative Youth Forum, should help us to ensure that the North plays the role of a kingmaker in 2033. And look at the quality of candidates we will be presenting. I must be honest with you, we are going to sponsor our candidates who emerge through the political process in political parties. Aréhérèst has already mapped out about 10 billion naira to give any candidate who succeeds either in APC or PDP or any other party. We have people who do not have an idea.
Okay, my people, this is where I will have to pause it. The name of this man is Isiguzor, and the drama you just watched is that Aréhérèst arranged some red cap chiefs to go to Abuja to beg Nnamdi to allow an Igbo man to be the president come 2023. Have you seen the level our slavery has gotten to? An Igbo man will have to beg Awusa Fulani Alamajiri for president before he becomes the president of Nigeria. What I just watched here only shows that the slavery of Igbo has just begun. So Igbo will have to beg Awusa before they become the president of Nigeria. Because of presidency, an Igbo man made caricature of the whole Igbo race. He insulted Nnamdi that is suffering in DSS custody because of Igbo presidency. Isiguzor said he's not a Biafran, but he called Awusa man Arewa youth. That is the level a desperate Igbo man can reach to get what he desires. Because of his quest for Igbo presidency, he had to say that those people, he said, we are not the real people. Isiguzor said he has come to meet the real people. That means Yerima Shetima. Awusa Fulani are the real people, while the children of light are not real people. That is the level an Igbo man can reach to get what he wants. Desperation, slavery. Isiguzor called Yerima Shetima a kingmaker, a capitalist, a developer, an entrepreneur, a businessman, an Igbo man. Called Awusa Fulani Alamajiri a kingmaker. That is the highest insult of our time. So this is the level we have reached. Painful, right? Desperation in the process. There is a point he raised. I want to buttress that point. Isiguzor said what happened to the relationship Awusa and Ndibo used to have. There was never a time Awusa and Ndibo had a relationship. Isiguzo is not a good student of history. Your desperation is beclouding your sense of reasoning. There was never a time Hausa and Igbo had relationship. Are you referring to cordial relationship or platonic? Never a time. Even though at some point we tried to build a relationship that was lopsided, a lopsided relationship. A relationship that was not bearing fruit. You cannot continue building a relationship on a foundation that will not stand. We tried to build a relationship with our Hausa people, but they never accepted us back. We can't continue building like that. They refused us. They hated us. They did not like us around them. They killed us in the process. That was why they killed us in 1945, down to 1953. Hausa killed us in 1967 to 70, over 5 million Biafrans. They killed us in 1991, Kano State riot, killed us in Jos riot. Currently killing us in the east with Fulani herdsmen. Killed our mothers in the farm, raped our sisters with impunity, and everybody is keeping quiet. The world is silent while they are killing Igbo. Kill an Igbo man, but Hausa person should be pitied and miss it. They have been killing us for many years and still killing us. They kill us and they play the victim. And Isiguzo is asking me the relationship. Hausa man has been killing me and you're asking me what conspired, what transpired. Because Ohaneze and Igbo and Isiguzo want Igbo presidential seats. Because of that, they had to make caricature of Igbo race. You call Hausa Fulani Alamajiri or Tagoro a kingmaker. So Hausa man, Alamajiri man will have to make an Igbo man. A shoe shiner will make an Igbo man. Or Tagoro, Ezegoro will make an Igbo man. A child of light. Somebody that cannot do a business and sustain that business is who you are calling a kingmaker. You have forgotten that without you there is no North. Without you there is no Hausa man. Are you not wondering why they are scared of separation? Because when Igbo people separate from Nigeria, that is the end of the North. That is the end of Nigeria. They are scared of that. That is why they will never give an Igbo man president. An Igbo man stand in the presence of a Fulani man to call him a kingmaker. Do you think by denying your people that Hausa will trust you? You have just given them expo that Igbo man cannot be trusted. The fact that you stay in his presence to deny your people mean you can never be trusted. And he will not believe you. After this meeting, he will say, oh, this is Nnamdi that don't know anything. Hausa man only trusts himself and believe himself. He doesn't trust you. He doesn't believe you. He knows that you are going to separate. He cannot forget. He is not that 1967 civil war that made Ojukwu to go to the east to declare Biafra is still ringing like unstoppable bell in their ear. They are scared. Because without you, there is no them. You don't know? A child of light does not know the qualities he possesses. Because of the quest to be the president of Nigeria, you have to degrade yourself. Come to the level of an animal. Come to the level of a zombie to beg Hausa Fulani man, Alamajiri, to be president. Ordinarily, Igbo are supposed to be scared. Igbo are supposed to be scared to reintegrate with the people that committed genocide against us. Against Igbo, but we buried our hatchet. Buried our grievances, opened our arms for friendship to accept our Hausa people back. But they refused our friendship. Hausa man refused our friendship. They never liked us. They will not start liking us. I don't know when our people are going to open their eyes. Igbo people are very good when it comes to politics. When it comes to business. But in the aspect of politics, our men are so weak. Igbo men are weak when it comes to politics. Docile men. Cowardice in nature. You think by going to lobby with the North, denying your people, denying your race, Hausa Fulani or Tagoro, get man will give you president. You degrade yourself. You degrade your existence. What is wrong in asking for Biafra? Isiguzo said, let it not look like we're asking for Biafra. What is wrong in asking for Biafra? Is it a wrong thing to ask for? Is it wrong to ask for something that is not asking for another country because the existing country is not working in your favor? And you said that let it not look like we're asking for Biafra. What is wrong in asking for dissolution of a country that is not favoring an Igbo man? What is wrong in that? Desperation. Desperation, that is what is playing out. Igbo people are now lobbying, wearing turban and babariga to beg our Saman. That is the level we've gotten to. We loved them, but they never loved us. That is why we are building in the north. Look at them in the east with the dirty cattle and dirty mats. Hausa man cannot even build bacha in the east. Hausa man cannot build bacha in Owerri. Hausa man cannot build bacha in Imo State. But Igbo people are developing the north. And you're asking me what transpired. What conspired because of your quest to be the president of Nigeria. This is the advice I have for you. Moment of truth. Indeed, all those people coming out to be president, Rochas, Okorocha, David Omahi, and co. Hausa man will not give you presidency. It's a hard truth, a hard pill for you to swallow. Hausa man does not trust you. He will not give you the presidential seat. He knows that you can never be trusted. The fact that you called your people terrorists is enough proof that you can never be trusted. Before a Fulani man, you say you are not Biafra. Why calling him Arewa? He can never trust you like that. He will say this in Nnamdi is still far from the truth. Hausa man only trusts himself. Hausa man only believes himself. He does not believe in Nnamdi. He doesn't believe Igbo man. He sees you as a cheat. He will not give you the presidential seat. Aárŕèst is not for an Igbo man. The structure, this Nigeria structure is not in favor of an Igbo man. Kill the dream of Igbo presidency. Because Igbo presidential race is not the priority of an average Igbo man. Nnamdi cannot be in DSS custody and Igbo people will be calling for presidency. What do we need it for? Is it going to change anything? Is it going to change the dilapidated structure of Nigeria? Is it going to change the structure that has gone moribund, tired, weak, and about to be forgotten, thrown away in the dustbin of history? Is the Igbo presidential race going to change anything? Of course, it will not change nothing. Igbo presidency is not what is a priority. And Aárŕèst does not belong to an Igbo man because Hausa man will not trust you with power. He will not trust you with power. Why not use that money? I heard that Aréŕèst and Igbo want to bring out 10 billion naira to sponsor Igbo presidential race. Why not use that money to intensify the separation of Nigeria? That is what every Igbo man wants. Talk about the separation of Nigeria. That is the only way out. That is the only sure bet for Igbo right now. But I know you will not want to believe me. If Hausa people really want to give Igbo president, if Buhari that you give Isiago to wear, gave him title of Obuago, called him Okechukwu because you want to lobby with him so that an Igbo man will have the opportunity, given the presidential slot in 2023. If Buhari really loved Igbo, what happened in 1999 should have repeated itself. In 1999, the moment Nigeria came out of military regime and entered democracy, Yoruba people were allowed to contest in that election. Only Yoruba people were allowed to contest in the election that brought about Obasanjo as the first democratic president in Nigeria. And Atiku Abubakar was his vice president, Awosama. Such scenario is supposed to play out if really they love Igbo. They are supposed to zone that Igbo presidency to the east. Only Igbo people will contest. And Hausa and Yoruba will vote for Igbo man. Whether you like Igbo man or not, you have no other option. It has been zoned and only Igbo man will have to be voted in 2023 election. Because they have been cheated, because they are not vice president, not president for many years. That is what is supposed to play out. But unfortunately, it will not happen. Now, Igbo people will have to beg, desecrate the cap of Ndigbo, wear to ban, remove Isiago just because they want to be the president. Stop wasting your time. Aárŕèst is not for an Igbo man. I'm telling you the truth. I know you will not believe me, but it's going to happen before your eyes. It will happen before you. Igbo man will not be given the presidential slot. Aárŕèst is not for Ndigbo. Nigeria does not belong to an Igbo man. Ask for the separation of Nigeria. Go and release Nnamdi from DSS custody. Push for the separation of Nigeria, for the dissolution of this evil contraption, this evil enclave that has swallowed millions of Biafrans. It will not work. It will not stand. I'm telling you the truth, but I know you will not want to hear this truth that I'm saying. But Aárŕèst is not for Igbo man.